Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will tell you how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing problem will be fixed. Follow the step, don't skip video, solve your problem. First of all, open Play Store and search TikTok app. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated. If not updated, first of all update your TikTok app new update version and go back. Now after this, tap on your TikTok app and now tap on profile. Now tap on right corner three lines. Now tap on setting and privacy and scroll down. Now tap on report a problem and scroll down. Now tap on report. Now tap on report direct message and scroll down. Now tap on no. Now tap on need more help and tap your problem and tap on submit and waiting 20 hours solve your problem. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.